Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Orbital Protocol token. Now the Orbital Protocol token is about to start their pre-sale in about half a day or so on pinksale.finance. This is a brand new token. It's a public pre-sale. They have an audit, a KYC. They're on the Binance Smart Chain. They're trending in the top 12. We're going to go over the information on the Orbital Protocol token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says the first gamified layer 2 EVM network for Web3 gaming projects with play to earn on Steam API dApp. GameFi concept, layer 2 gaming chain, play to earn on Steam dApp, low taxes, tier 1 callers, 200 plus KOL groups, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, fast tracked, massive YouTube marketing, KYC by Pinksale and Audit, Dex Tools, Abe.ai, and it says part of raised funds will go to buyback. Now, they do have a full audit by SecureWise that you could check out on there. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxxed to verify who they are for security reasons. You can join their Telegram at Orbital Protocol. They have 2,561 Telegram subscribers so far. They have a countdown to their pre-sale on their webpage too, orbitalprotocol.com. And they also have a link to the Play to Earn Steam dApp if you want to check that out as well. Their Twitter has 23 posts so far. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there as usual. At Orbital Protocol on Twitter. Their Twitter has a link to their Telegram and their webpage on it, so you're going to find all the links there. Just joined in June 2023. 5,200 followers so far. So the start time for this pre-sale is November 27th, 15 hours UTC time. And it goes until November 29th, 15 hours UTC time. So it's a 2-day, 48-hour pre-sale. It's a public pre-sale. 18 decimal places on this token. ORB is the ticker symbol for this token. There is a total supply of 100 million tokens. Initial market cap estimate, $17,646. So soft cap for the pre-sale is 50 BNB. And there's no hard cap. So basically the pre-sale is just going to continue until time runs out. And then, sky's the limit, how much tokens they can sell, no hard cap. And if you end up missing the pre-sale, and you're looking to get this token, you're watching this video later on, first of all, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the ORB token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, orbitalprotocol.io. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll try to find that in a second here. And it says liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. According to their token metrics allocation pie chart here, 35% of these tokens go to pre-sale, 17.49% of the tokens go to liquidity, 10% go to GameFi rewards, 10% go to marketing, 10% development, 8.8% ecosystem, 5% central exchange listings, 3% goes to a CertiK audit, and 0.7% of the tokens are unlocked. Now they have a free and quick light audit by Analytics Audit in the discussion section on Presale, and there's no bad warnings on it whatsoever. It's just all good check marks. It says no mint function found. Owner cannot change fees over 25%. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot change trading status. No blacklist, and owner has not to manually enable trading. So all sorts of good stuff there. The first GameFi Layer 2 chain. Orbital Protocol is the first gamified Layer 2 chain that focuses on the integration of Web3 games with the Ethereum network at the lowest transaction costs with a multitude of proprietary tools. So they have a little trailer that you can watch on Presale and on their webpage there. And so they have a testnet. Testnet is a place where you can test your smart contracts and other transactions without any fees. Explore transactions on our network thanks to the Orbital Network Explorer, enriched with a unique UI UX. A bridge. With it, you can transfer ETH from one network to another and back. Feel free to use it. We have the lowest fees. And a faucet. Thanks to the faucet tool, you will receive free ETH from us on the test network to test the transactions for free. Now, they have tokenomics on their page here. It doesn't say anything that I could see about taxes. So you probably will not have to worry too much about slippage unless they're just not listing the taxes on there. But yeah, they do have a roadmap. It says Phase 1, Layer 2 chain development, testnet launch, L2 chain tools launch, Orb token deployment, Presale, massive marketing push, Phase 2, Pancake Swap listing, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Fast Track, Mainnet launch, Steam API integration, MEXC global listing. So that looks like it's going to be their first central exchange. If you don't have an MEXC global account, I do have an MEXC global referral code down there, so check it out. Twitter KOLs marketing, YouTube marketing in Phase 3, first GameFi project on Orbital, 10 mil market cap, Dubai crypto event, cross-chain integration, airdrops for Presale users, GameFi marketplace in Phase 4, 10,000 holders, Steam partnership, 20 million market cap, mainstream marketing, and then a Bybit listing, which is another central exchange. So I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about the Orbital Protocol token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes, especially that MEXC global one where this token will be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.